black one looks beautiful.
But it isn't on sale, and
And?
it would be great to buy it for you. Well, let's take it to the cashier. How am I supposed to buy this?
I like it. I like it.
All right. Where's the shopkeeper?
I don't know.
Oh my God.
What's going on?
Sorry, sir. How much does it cost?
Well, it cost 500,000 plans.
Sweet Lord. Did you mean the whole store or just this one?
Just this one.
Think of horrible things that may happen to you after we leave.
And she's going to kill me. Can you go lower than that?
Well, I could go as low as 498.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We will take it. Oh, can we take a look at your jeans?
Sure, why not? Let's go over there.
What colors do they come in?
Black and blue.
Uh-huh.
Blue ones are 220, and black ones are 150.
But they look the same, and
And?
we will take them too.
For example, my plane leaves at 8 tonight. پروازم امشب ساعت 8. When we want to talk about the future after